Hey everyone, welcome back to Hurricane Web. In this video, I will show you how to install and use Tailwind CSS in a reactjs project. Before that, we should know what is Tailwind CSS. Tailwind CSS is a utility-fast CSS framework for rapidly building custom user interfaces in web development. Here, I just created a reactjs project using Byte. If you are interested to create a reactjs starter project, then you can follow my reactjs starter project video. I will put the link in the description. Let's clear the default design of our project and then we will implement Tailwind CSS in our project. So first of all, we will clear our app.jsx. So Control All and make it clear. So here type RFC and hit enter. So if you are interested to know how this shortcut works, so you need to go to the extensions and then just type JSX extension. You need to install JSX snippets and then it will work. So here we can see that here have the RFC fee like that, all the shortcuts. So if you guys install this one and then the shortcuts will work. And then here we also need to import our app.css. So now we also need to clean our default CSS design from our app.css and also from our index.css. And then here let's give text like Lorem and like that. So for implement Tailwind CSS, first of all we need to search Tailwind CSS and then click on docs. So here we can see there are so many processes we can install Tailwind CSS. For this video purpose I will use Byte. We already create a starter reactjs project using Byte. Now we need to install Tailwind CSS in our project. So we need to copy it and then let's kill the terminal by Ctrl C and paste the command and hit enter. Our command is complete and then we need to add these plugins in our byteconfig.js file inside. So let's go to our byteconfig file inside and then here we need to import Tailwind CSS and also we need to add the plugins. So here use a comma and then paste it, save it. After that we need to import this in our app.css file inside. So copy it and inside app.css just paste it and save it. So after that it just saying us to run our project and then try some Tailwind CSS. So let's run our project. So here we just can see a dummy text. So now we will apply Tailwind CSS style in our text. So like this example, if we use text as 3XL and font bold and also use the underline, let's see how it's behave. So let's give our div a class name and then here we will use text 3XL and save it and let's see how it's change our text. So now we can see our text using the Tailwind CSS style and then if we use font bold and also the underline, let's see how it shows. So let's type font bold and then underline and save it. So here we can see our text font become bold and also we can see the underline and also we can give color to our text like text cyan 500 and save it. And here we can see our text color also changed. So if you wonder how The shortcuts works for me like when I am typing text and the color by default indicate me. So same, you have to go to the extension and just search Tailwind CSS. So here you can install this extension and then it will auto suggest any kind of Tailwind CSS design. So we can see that our Tailwind CSS work in our reactjs project. By the way guys, if you are interested to learn more about Tailwind CSS, then you can follow the documentation of Tailwind CSS. So in the left side, if we scroll down, here we can see all the Tailwind CSS design like flexbox and grid, and then spacing, sizing, and then typography for the text and font, and then the backgrounds, borders. So if I click on borders radius, here we can get also the examples how it works. So if you want to learn more about Tailwind CSS, then you can follow this beautiful documentation. It is much more easier to understand. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like the video. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.